Hi everybody, this is a video on how to specify time in a YouTube video when you're putting it onto a Google slide. And so you'll notice here I got a nice slideshow from Kevin Stevenson. He was doing a book talk by a book written by Neil Peart. And in one of his slides, he has Neil Peart playing a drum solo, and it's about 8 minutes long. And you'll notice on the slideshow here, he has whoever's looking at the slide, he would like them to watch between 4:45 and 5:15 on the video. And you can do that. You can easily click on the video and slide it to where you want it. But what I want to show you is you can actually select that right on the video itself and pinpoint those times. So I'm just going to click on the video here. So I'm just going to move over, click right on the YouTube video that he selected. And when you do that, you can go to Format Options. When you click on Format Options, you have a sidebar that shows up here, and you can see here you can have a lot of different options here. You can actually play the clip automatically, or you can play it when it clicks, or you got to manually click it. Okay, so what we can do here is you can see where it's start and end, and Kevin wants us to start at 4:45. So we're going to put in 4:45, and we're going to put in the end time is 5:15. There we go. So then it's set. So now when we play that slide, it's going to hit present, and that slideshow or the slide will come up with the video, and it will automatically start at 5:15, as you can see here, or 4:45. And take my word for it, it does go to 5:15 and then it stops, and then you can go to the next slide. So that's a neat feature. And I'd also share with you another thing you can do with this is you could actually take one video and create multiple sections from that. So for example, in this particular video, this one's at 4:45 to 5:15, we could copy this, and I'm going to paste it. Did I paste it? Copy first. And paste it. There we go. So we got another video now, exactly the same YouTube video, but this one, I'm just going to move myself out of the way here. This one will start at 1 minute and go to 2 minutes. So now when I play this one, so if we go present, so you can see how you could have some training videos on a slideshow. And so we got two. This one's going to start at 1 minute, which is one of my favorite spots. And then this one will start at 4:45, the way that it was set up to be. So it's a really neat way to set up your YouTube videos so you could do some training through it. You could have one video and split it up between and have different clips on the same slide of the same video, but different clips. So thought you'd like that, and try it out, see what you think. Give me an email if you need some help with that. Thanks. See ya.